Another wake-up call this past Sunday on Virgin Airlines Flight 328. A vape device went into thermal runaway just minutes before landing. During descent, crews have very little time at altitude to manage a high-energy fire. As flight attendants may still be strapped into their seats, this creates the worst possible combination: an intense, fast-moving fire at the exact moment the aircraft has the least margin to deal with the problem. According to the Advisory Circular 12080B, the FAA-sponsored High-Energy Firefighting Training Enhancement Working Group raised questions about effectiveness and safe use of fire containment devices. FAA researchers emphasize the dangers associated with picking up the PED while it's in an unstable condition. A fire in one cell may not yet propagate to the other cells, but if the device is hot, propagation remains likely. For that reason, the device should be cooled before it's moved to a containment device. Let me say that again. A device should be cooled before going into the containment device. That process demands time, coordination, multiple people, and leaves the crews and passengers exposed. Lithium Fire Guard was engineered to change that equation. It can safely collect the device prior to extinguishing and cooling. The LOKI PED study was a study funded by EASA and partners including Fraunhofer and Airbus operations involving 20 expert researchers and technicians. From crew feedback on traditional bags, a two-person operation is usually required. This type of operation does not make sense for Part 91 or 135 operations. The baseline procedure describes one crew member as the attacker and the second as support. Attacker 1, consider putting on PPE, extinguish the fire with an extinguisher. When it is safe to move, put on protective gloves and immerse the PED in a receptacle. Second crew member, provide support, put on PPE, cool the PED with water or non-alcoholic liquid, and when it's safe to move, prepare the receptacle with water and move the receptacle to the lavatory. Lithium Fire Guard's containment system is true single-person operation, does not require the device to be fully extinguished and cooled before collection. A trained crew member can act faster with fewer hands during the most time-critical phases of flight, like the descent or takeoff. The key question for operators is this: will cabins rely on traditional multi-step methods, or will crews have a single-person collect-first solution ready when seconds count? For more information or to arrange a demonstration, please reach out. Lithium fires belong in a box, not a bag. Protect, collect, contain. Please follow us on LinkedIn, like our social pages, and subscribe to our YouTube page for the most up-to-date information on lithium battery fires.